Thank you for tuning in today. I just wanted to share with you this amazing event that's going to be happening. And yes, you're right, it's free movie tickets. And they are right here in my hot little hands, soon to be in yours. You can bring 3 of your friends, family members, neighbors, and the one lucky ticket for you. I am with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services of Chicago, and we are offering you a free gift. It's a festive event holiday, the Grinch movie, sharing love for all, whatever your tradition your family celebrates. And the first 10 people to subscribe on Facebook or YouTube will be entered in my live drawing on Black Friday at 9 a.m. Subscribe in the signature line, DM me, PM me, and I can get you that info if you do not see it. The most important thing is get these entries in before Black Friday so that you can walk away with 4 movie tickets. Again, you're going to be put in the drawing. It will be live on both YouTube and Facebook. And I am super excited to see you at the movie theater. We will be popping. So I will be excited to see you for our holiday event.